Video series on operating system. Here we are discussing about CPU scheduling. In this part, we are discussing about similarities and differences between the non-primitive and primitive scheduling. Here, difference between primitive and non-primitive scheduling. Primitive scheduling allows for process interruptions. First one is breakdown. In primitive scheduling, the operating system has the ability to automatically interrupt and transition between the process. In non-primitive scheduling, operations continue until they are finished or give freely, they are not stopped, and changing context. In primitive scheduling, to load and preserve process state, there is a frequent context switching. In non-primitive, context switching is less common and usually occurs only in response to process finishing and locking up. And in next one is CPU pooling. In primitive scheduling, by using time slicing and priority handling, it enables equitability, CPU time, and distribution and responsiveness. And in non-primitive scheduling, processor time is not shared as actively. One process may use all of the CPU resources until it block or terminates. If an efficiency of the system in primitive scheduling, more arcade but guarantee improved system equity and responsiveness. Non-primitive scheduling, less complicated, but if process don't give the CPU, it may result in inefficiencies. And you can see the differences between turnaround time and response time. Definitions of turnaround time is the amount of time needed to complete a process from the moment it is submitted. It encompasses waiting or execution and any scheduling related delays. Response time, the amount of time that passes between submitting a request and receiving a response. This is especially crucial in interactive systems because user anticipate receiving input right way. And here you can see the primitive scheduling implications on turn turn in down turn around time in primitive scheduling. Implications: efficiency, because of the primitive scheduling allows high priority operations to interrupt and finish more quickly. It can result in short turnaround time for those processes. Starvation risk. On the other hand, lower priority operations may have longer turnaround times as a result of higher priority processes frequently taking precedence over them. If this situation is not adequately handled, starvation may result. And balancing. Advanced scheduling methods such as round robin and shortest remaining time first are designed to balance these impacts by giving priority to critical tasks while guaranteeing that all processes receive adequate CPU time. Implications on response time in primitive scheduling. Enhanced responsiveness. Primitive scheduling, as usually, results in faster response time, particularly for interactive and high priority activities. Immediate preemptions enable the system to react quickly to user input or important tasks. Interactive system. These are essential for the system. The frequently included user contact because they provide faster response and more seamless user experience. In non-primitive scheduling, implications on turnaround time, predictability. As the operations proceed uninterrupted from the moment by being non-primitive scheduling can result in more predictable turnaround time. Possible delays. On the other hand, if a lengthy process occupies the CPU, it might greatly lengthen the time it takes for other processes in the quick to finish. Fairness problems. In the absence of preemptions, shorter or simpler operations can be pushed back by longer ones, which could result in the inefficiency with regard to overall throughput of the system. In non-primitive scheduling, implications on response time, longer wait times and batch processing. In longer wait times, if a processor does not give the CPU for prolonged period of time, Non-preemptive scheduling may lead to longer reaction time. In interactive systems where quick feedback is crucial, this could be harmful. Both processing. It might work better in sitting, where doing tasks without interruptions is the main priority and response time is less important. Thank you.